Oh my, Droptober is here. I cannot even stand it. This is so exciting. I have not been this excited about teaching in a really long time. I've been doing this for a while and, you just kind of get into your routine, but Canva has sure stepped things up and I wanted to share them with you. Hello and welcome back. I am MrsPTarleton, helping you work smarter and not harder. When you log into Canva, you go here on the left side and you have these options here. If you go to Meet Magic Studio, you're going to come up with this slide presentation and it may just be a TLDR moment where, too long, didn't read, but I want to go over all of these wonderful features with you. They are so exciting. Let's dive in. So get ready. Let's wow your class with Magic Studio. The first thing in this slide presentation, it shares with you that the students will not have access to the Magic Studio. This is for teachers only. Maybe that's why I'm so excited, because we finally get some nuggets of fun stuff. So we're going to go over background remover, the magic grab, the magic write, magic media, styles, magic design, magic animate, and resize and magic switch. You're not going to believe this. You may have seen the background remover, but I think they've made it so much easier. If you just click on your image and right here it pops up with your options, BG remover. Now, of course, this is free with your Teacher Pro account, or if you're not a teacher, you would have to pay for this because this little crown tells me it is a pro feature. But look at that, just like that, it erased the background. So amazing. It will even work on videos. This one really, really impressed me. So the magic grab, we have these two photos. We're going to put this astronaut on this moon right here. So we're going to go to this photo with the astronaut, and then we're going to go up here to edit. Then we're going to go to Magic Grab. We want to grab the astronaut. Notice it automatically outlined him. Highlight that. Highlights my astronaut. Click Grab. Takes a moment to process. And now we can move our astronaut from his photo to this photo down below. You can turn them around, you can adjust them however you would like. I don't know. That just really, really impressed me. Are you impressed? Let me know in the comments because I was like blown away when I was exploring with these things. That's what I just had to share with you. The next thing we have the Magic Write. In Magic Write, you can click on any text and you can shorten it. Now, before I would have done this, I would highlight it, copy and paste it into ChatGPT, but look at it. Canva has it right here. Highlight all of the text, and then right here, you see this little pencil? That's your Magic Write with the little stars around it. Click on Magic Write, and you have all these options. I can shorten this text. Make it much simpler to read. I can review it. If you like it, you just click Replace, and there it is. So next up, we have Magic Media. Click on the Elements tab. Go here to Generate Your Own. And you can type in whatever you want that's going to describe the image. So we're going to go ahead and follow their directions and type in an environmental superhero. Go down here, generate image at the bottom. And this is amazing. I've tried this with different things. I did a Santa Claus one and put it in. I did one for video. So let's see what it comes up with. There we have our first environmental superhero. We have 4 options we're going to be able to choose from. What the heck? So this result didn't come through. Okay, we've got 3 though. We've got 3 options to choose from. And you just drag whichever one you like onto your canvas. And there you have it. I don't know. I'm pretty impressed with all this AI stuff. This is really fun. So now let's take a look at trying out styles. If you go over here to the left side, it's at the top, click on Design. And then you don't want to click the 3 dots. I don't know what's wrong with this. And you go here, it usually comes up, it'll be on Templates, but you go to Styles, that's what you need. And you can choose to apply any one of these color palettes to your design that you have over here on the left. There's one. You can click on any one of these options down here, or you can design your own. That looks kind of fun. You can even test out and see what different fonts would look like in your design. I think that's another fun feature. Makes it so easy. You don't have to click on little pieces and change them. These are ready to do. Just one click. Here we go. The next thing we have is Magic Design. Again, we're going to go over to that Design tab here on the top. And at the top, you can describe it in your own words. Let's go ahead and type in what they suggest. A lesson on animal habitats. Look at what they come up with. All these fun lessons. And then you just click here. You can apply all the pages to your design. How great is that? It's already done for you, and you can edit those. You can make them as simple or as complex as you need because they are fully editable. Then we have the Magic Animate. Now this is really cool. So we click on our slide, and then we go up here to the top and click Animate, and then we can have Magic Animate. It will automatically animate this presentation. This is their recommended style. You can, of course, choose your own. Let's just let AI do it. Let the AI handle it for us. And this is what it's going to do to animate our slide. When I slide over it, you can see the stars start twinkling. Of course, you can always edit and change it. Whatever you would like to do, you can do that. But it gives you the suggestion on what it thinks it should do. Okay, this next feature, Resize and Magic Switch, and they're having you transform your slide into a doc. It is completely AI generated, and I'm going to show you an example. And it's based on whatever is on your slide. So I have this thumbnail that I created for one of my videos. I can link it down in the description for you. And when I highlight my slide and go up to Resize, remember some may say Magic Switch as well, and scroll down to Transform into Doc, I can have it write a summary, I can have it do a blog post, whatever I'd like. I'm going to go ahead and do a blog post. Transform this into a doc. And notice here, it instantly gives me this blog post with the 9 steps that can change your life. That is pretty impressive. If you wanted to summarize something, give a summary of a topic, you can have it do that as well. Now, another thing that's not shown on here, you can also translate things. Now, I don't know if you knew this. Go to Resize, and we can translate this as well. Let's not do all of the pages. Let's just do this current page. Let's see what happens. And what language should we translate it into? And it made a translated slide for you. Look at that. How wonderful is that, that teachers now can translate their slides into different languages as well? Oh my goodness. That is going to help me so much with my multi-language learners. I don't know about you, but I really think that Canva has stepped up its game. Thank you for watching this video with me and going through all these new features of Canva. Remember, step out, be uniquely wonderful you, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.